In my hands is the iCUE H115i Elite Capellix from Corsair. It's the latest CPU cooler on offer from them and it looks absolutely stunning. Let's take a look.
First thing to mention about this cooler is it's going to cover your Intel, AMD and Threadripper sockets. Make sure you check the product page just in case. In the box you're going to find the brackets you need for your chosen CPU. The main 280mm dual fan radiator with attached water block. The pump also includes preloaded CPU paste. Two 140mm Corsair ML RGB series PWM fans. All the screws needed to fit the radiator, fans and CPU pump. And you also get the Corsair Commander core in the box too. The two included 140mm fans run between 400 RPM and 2000 RPM, keeping your radiator temps low, and due to their size they produce very little noise too. This goes the same for the RGB pump head as it only produces 20 decibels under load. The fans also include 8 RGB LEDs and use magnetic levitation technology. Corsair have also included the iCUE Commander core, which will give you control over your fan speeds and RGB lighting for up to 6 fans when using the iCUE client. Their client allows you to control all of your Corsair iCUE products from a single piece of software. For example, you can take advantage of their 0 RPM cooling mode to eliminate fan noise at low temperatures. As I do a lot of overclocking myself, having a 280mm radiator with a large surface area will keep temps low for extended render and gaming sessions. In the CPU block you will find a split flow copper cold plate with high density stacks of 128 microfins per inch for high efficiency cooling. If you want maximum control over your PC at home, then building a Corsair iCUE H115i into your budget is a must. With CPUs reaching higher clock speeds and larger core counts, keeping temps down will help extend the life of your hardware, and if you want to overclock, this product is great.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other up and coming releases. See you on the next one for some more Corsair products.